The first dance we're going to do is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. So you can take a nice straddle position and we'll begin. Feel the energy. Remember, the leaning is all about core strength, even though we're cooling down. A little resistance in that. That tones the muscles when you kind of push with resistance. Tap your feet a little bit. Now spread all that love and energy around. Here goes, rainbow.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high.
Double that rainbow.
And the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
Double up.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true.
We're going to stretch out our fingers one at a time.
Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where
now the wrist.
you
Good.
find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly.
Double rainbow. Make some wishes.
And the dreams that you dare to, oh why
Walk your feet in. We're going to do
can't
20 spins flat. Sing.
See if you can get that double beat in there. Wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind.
Good. Now a little bit of wind slope. Good. Other side.
Where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you
Take it out wide again.
find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. And the dreams
yourself a hug.
that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
Good. Now show your beautiful energy. And pull back the energy from outside. That's wonderful and beautiful. And I am outside under the madrone trees. Beautiful trees here in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Lots of energy here in the woods. I say the fairies live here. Spread it all around. Good work. I hope that was soothing for your body, your mind, and your spirit. Now we're going to do the next song, which is Que Sera, Sera, sung by Doris Day. You ready? What will be? Hand to your shoulder. Circle backwards.
When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be?
Good. Other side.
Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me.
Good. Butterfly.
Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will
Put your
be.
glasses on.
The future's not ours to see.
And the butterfly.
Que sera, sera, what will be, will be.
Good. Hand to your shoulder will go up and down.
When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead.
Other side.
Will we have rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart
And
said.
your butterfly.
Que sera,
Sing.
sera, whatever will be, will be.
Glasses.
The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera, what will be, will be.
Good. Crisscross. Opposite hand. opposite me.
Now I have children of
Draw your
my
belly
own. They ask their mother, what will
See
I
if you
be?
can touch your toes on this one.
Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? I tell them tenderly, que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be.
Glasses.
The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be.
Butterfly.
Que sera, sera.
Oh, that was lovely, huh? Yes, remember, what will be, will be. And we'll end out this little cool down dance, little trio with What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. Are we ready? Let's do this.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you.
Now thinking.
And I think to myself,
Big hug for the world.
what a wonderful
Needs that hug
world.
right now. And share the love. And again, lift it up.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white. The bright blessed day,
And the bow.
the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Love to the world. Love, love, love you, world. The rainbow.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by.
Shake hands
I
with your
see
neighbors.
friends shaking hands, saying how they do. They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow.
Open up.
They'll learn much more
To your heart with the bow.
than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Let's make this world a wonderful world with our love, with our compassion.
Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Ooh, yeah.
Yay. That's to everybody in this beautiful world. Let us experience joy, peace, and love. Namaste.